Friends, welcome back to my channel. So my today's topic is how to build relationship and maintain within human beings. So why I'm making this video about this topic? The reason for that, maybe you can see thousands and thousands of video on YouTube. Many people have created video on this topic, but I especially feel that in my channel some videos should be there whoever are watching. So relationship is a very vital thing. Without relationship we can't survive. And today, as we feel that lacking in relationships, people are more into show offs, as I say, people are more into jealousy, greed, etc. Hence relationships are just someday it would happen that relationship, there won't be any word like relationship, or maybe we will, or that particular generation would just, they would learn about that sometimes there was something kind of relationship and people used to maintain that and they used to be happy with that. So it would become a history, but that won't be very good thing for human beings, of course. So here I feel that a topic should be there, few, rather I would prefer few videos I would try to make about relationships, where we should understand the depth of the relationships and how to maintain it, and why some relationships go successful and why some don't go. So here we would look into things very minutely and try to understand. So hope you all are ready for that. So here I'll be starting the topic of discussion, that is how to maintain relationships. So relationships is really important. Relationships are various types. One, it may be a husband wife relation, father mother relation, father and daughter, mother and son, or parents children relation, teacher and student relationships. In the family, various kinds of relationships, like mother-in-law, daughter-in-law, father-in-law, son-in-law, etc. Various types of relationships. On the other hand, we can see some external relationships like extended family relations with some extended family members, or some friendships that go for long years, or some relationships that we build throughout our life when we grow up. Like maybe you have started working somewhere and you have got some relationships, like you made friends, and spouse is there, spouse, that kind of relationships also we make when we like step out of our house or our comfort zone or our life. So in the process of living a life, we make many relationships that is very difficult to give name, but those are very precious relationships. Maybe you are traveling to some place and you found some friend, you made some friend, or the person, as you were both on the same destination, so you both thought to share, you both shared your experiences about life or whatever, you talked, you knew each other. Maybe it's a very short span of time, but relationship become very stronger. So this way relationship builds anywhere, anytime. And many of the relationships we end because we feel that's not suitable for us, or maybe some circumstances come and we have to end that. Or many relationships we continue till our death, apart from the eternal relationships I'm talking this. So okay, now we will discuss about how to maintain the relationships and what things to be taken care while maintaining relationships, and why relationships are getting broken, why people are getting so far from each other, so distant. So first of all, the thing is that greed is something which making people to stay apart from each other. Greed is something that if someone is earning too much and the other person is not, they think that why they are going to share my things and etc. Rather, you don't you if you don't want to let them get into your life, that's okay, but build a relationship. You can maintain, you can keep some limits. Within the limits you can also maintain relationships, but today's time it's very often I have observed people don't want to talk, don't want to keep a relationship. Keeping a relationship, keeping a connection doesn't mean that you are letting that person enter your life or interfere your total life and your personal private space. So of course you have to be very polite and you have to make that person understand that this is your private place and you have that relationship for that person and you are very much respectful to that person. So with respectful comes that my next point is that persons should have a respect for each other, which is quite lacking I find today, these days. Respect is something that you, while you talk or whatever you are approaching, you should understand that the person you are approaching has also self respect. So this way respect has to be on the both sides and one has to approach with respect and think about the person. So next comes is that in the relationship, connection is a very important thing. When you have some relationships or you have built some relationships or you have your family, connection is very important, because once the connection gets loosened, then what happens is the relationship, that emotions attachment slowly starts to diminish. As we say na, that saying, out of sight is out of mind. So now we have lots of ways. We can do video call, we can do talk chatting, we can talk on the phone. Many things are there. Try to talk to people, try to be with them. Like, it's not you have to always bring people to your house and keep them for long long days and you have to let them interfere your life. It's not that. Keeping a connection to people is that you talk to that person, you share emotions, your feelings. So with this comes my next topic is feelings. One should feel for others. This feeling is quite lacking these days. People should feel for each other, that one should have that empathy within themselves to feel the others sorrows or others problems. So this all builds some relationships, and it's better you make relationships outside of your family. Rather you try to make relationships within the family, because family members are your blood related persons. They are the ones who would be concerned first of all, rather than any other outside persons. So building relationships is not very tough job, but the thing is that maintaining that relationship is the toughest job, which people fail to do. In early times you can find your elder ones in the family. In early times those people, they, as they have lived so long years than us, they have this commitment attitude. If you can find this in the aged people in the house, they are more committed. If they commit something, they're going to fulfill. If they see some person at the home or someone came visited your home, these persons are very respectful. So these are the very root causes of the relationships that they have built, and they maintain. So longer relationships last forever, because sometimes we feel that how our father, grandfather, etc had so many friends or so much good relationships, that in their bad times how people come and see and take care. Or in many of the families, even I have also noticed that children, the children whoever who are, they are much connected to the persons, their elders, father, grandfather, mother, they are connected to. So the reason is that old aged people, they were more respectful and they knew that they should respect to others. If you are getting respect, and you should also respect the other person. So these things they are very much avoid. You can find that they were more commitful. If they commit something, they would fulfill that. They would value the person whoever they are connected to. They would build, they would keep that connection once they have built some relationship, or some relationships are already built from your childhood or birth time. You can find that aged persons, they value the relationships more than money. They would lend money, they would help the persons who has some problems in the family. So these are the things that our elder ones do to keep the relationships. They value the relationships more than anything else. Even they don't care money, about money, show offs, luxuries about so much. They would prefer relationships. They would love if their relatives or your extended family members come your home, visit you. You can find your father, mother, they are more, feel more happy with them. They would cook for them, they would serve them, they would buy things for them. So these are the things they used to do, or they are doing from their childhood to maintain relationships. Because that time and those people now, they also value the relationships, but the generation now is continuing, is not at all getting proper information about what relationship is. Without relationship we are nothing. We are just baseless, rootless persons. We are hanging around, we are living around, we are living a life but that has no meaning. We are just going for outside trips and buying things and this and that, and we are showing people who are making them jealous. Rather we are being jealous seeing their good stuffs. These are not the actual lifestyle what we are living. These are all unhealthy lifestyle, and because of all of this we are not mentally peaceful within ourselves. So once you are building some relationships, commitment is very important. If you are making some commitment, of course you have the power, you should have the power to fulfill. Unless you have the power, you one should never commit anything. Fake commitments, fake judgments, these are very wrong things. Unless you know the exact truth, don't break any relationship of listening to some third party person. First you have to analyze the situation, you have to know what has exactly happened, and this way you can break your good relationships, friendships, etc. So while you make some friendship, you have to keep certain thing in mind. That first of all you have to know the person, that is that person good, is that person is best for you. Next you have to see yourself how much worthy you are to be a friend of a good person. So once you have built yourself to that good extent, good abilities you have created within yourself, then you have to think about, there should not be jealousy, there should not be place for jealousy, greed, insecurity. In many places in the spouses you can find insecurity creates a major issue, and that relationship breaks. In case of friendship, trusts